Hello, my name. Welcome back to class. We'll be addressing the biblical Hebrew, and we are still on the same topic, which is the biblical Hebrew Alephbeth. The biblical Hebrew Alephbeth. So we are going to treat three letters on the first group. So we will treat the last letter, and which have captioned delete before moving to the second group. So the last letter is delete, the Hebrew name, and this is the structure. Delete. Now you notice angle 90 degree because it's also resemble another letter in biblical Hebrew consonants. So this delete is one of the begat effect letters. So it has the tendency of either receiving a dagesh or not receiving a dagesh. So it could be seen this way or seen this way. However, when it's this way, it is transliterated as D. In other words, like a dog. And we have an example like we have an example dam. Dam. So this a Hebrew word dam, and it means blood, or bloodshed. Right. So dam means blood. All right. So then let's move to the second group in the division of the biblical Hebrew alphabet. And this group, we have four distinct letters there. We have he, we have wa, we have zayin, and we have het. This was our second group. We have e, we have wa, we have zayin, and we have het. All right. So E is seen as this. Then we have an example as in the English equivalent is ish. I have an example like hen. Hen means behold. That's a Hebrew word. All right. So that's he. This is structure. Then coming to wa. Wa as a symbol. The Hebrew structure as this. And it will be translated as W or V. So translated as W or V. All right. Then we have, let's have the word using wa. We have we. We have we. We means hand. We means hand. So this we, this abawe, and then the consonant. We, that's hand. For instance, we Aris and death. So hand, we means hand. But let's see Zain. Zain also looks like this. A structure, but a little bit different. Written this way. This Zain. And Zain has English equivalent as Z. Letter Z. Right. So let's see an example also of Zain. We have Zeba. 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 It means sacrifice. So this sacrifice is the noun. We have sacrifice. What is sacrifice? So this zeva. All right. So let's have the last letter on the second group in the division of the Biblical Hebrew Alephbeth. That is het. And we have structure as it resembles this. However, the opening, there's no opening here. There's an opening here, but there's no opening here. So this is a het. This het. No opening here. Alright. And we have the English spellings as ish. Alright. Then let's have an example, a word in Hebrew. To buttress this, we have hajj. We have hajj. That means festival. So festival, just for instance, the pilgrims, they call them Hajj. So Hajj is a festival. Alright, so we have these 4 letters on the group 2 of Biblical Hebrew Alephbeth division. We have E, Wa, Zayin, Het. E, Wa, Zayin, Het. Alright, so the next teaching we'll check the 3rd group letters. We have ignore of them. We have Et, and we have Tet, we have Yod, and we have Mo.